It turns out we need each other. More than ever, we crave ways to connect and create experiences together to counteract our siloed work lives and the digital distractions everywhere. For over 25 years, we've helped thousands of people of all ages find easy ways to make memories together through our walk-in studio in Massachusetts. Some of our favorite art experiences involved collage and mixed media, which allowed people of all skill levels to make meaningful art pieces. Our customers found this therapeutic and often asked us to help them do more of the same at home and on their own. So, Creative Adventures was born to provide easy, high-quality, and meaningful art experiences at home. But we wanted to do more. We wanted to give people an outlet for self-expression, help bridge cultural divides, provide a meditative, tactile, and deeply personal experience. So we created the Personal Sand Mandala Kit. This therapeutic art activity helps you use beautiful colors of sand and various techniques to create a unique and meaningful piece of art. With 16 colors of high-quality sparkling sand sourced in North America, 4 design cards featuring a simple shape with unlimited design possibilities, illustrated instructions with detailed examples, and supplies to store extra materials and preserve your final artwork. Made in the USA, the Personal Sand Mandala Kit includes enough materials to make 4 complete designs for an individual or as a fun group activity for friends and family. This is a new way to create mandalas for meditation, exploration of world cultures, and expressive art. The Personal Sand Mandala Kit is a great gift for family, friends, or a teacher, an activity to do together, or a meaningful contemplative craft. And now we need your help to make it a reality. Please help fund our Kickstarter campaign today and help bring this important, connected art experience to the world.